Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to change a ribbon on a card printer. So first, open the door and take out the old ribbon. You can know that the ribbon is finished if the orange reel is empty. Next, take the YMCK IC chip out of the card printer. That's the card counter, so it's important to remove at the same time. Then take out the cleaning roller from the card printer and open it up and remove the metal rod from inside. Now next, just take the new cleaning roller from the package and put the metal rod inside of it. Now, some of these cleaning rollers might not have this sticky paper on them yet, so you might need to put it on yourself. It's this blue paper right here. And in this case, it's already on, so we are just going to remove it to leave a sticky surface on the cleaning roller, and then we are gonna put it back inside the printer. This is gonna make sure to remove the dust from the cards. And when you are changing a ribbon, you should always run a cleaning card through the card printer. We are going to do this using the cleaning tool option in the software. So first open your Windows settings, click Hiti CS-200e and click Printing Preferences. Here, click the Tools section and then open the cleaning tool. Now you're gonna get instructions for how to use the cleaning card. It's telling us to take off the ribbon and keep the door open. So we have already done that, so no need to worry about that. So just click next. Now it's gonna tell us to remove the plastic cover from the cleaning card. So just remove these blue covers from the card and it's gonna leave a sticky surface on the card. Then put it inside. Make sure there is no other cards inside of the printer right now, and also you don't need to put the weight on the cleaning card. After that's done, you can click next again and next one more time. So now it's gonna suck the card inside of the card printer, as you can see, and it's gonna run back and forth for a little while, cleaning all the dust from the card printer. And next it's gonna spit the card out, as you can see. And just remember, the cleaning cards are just single use. The card printer is clean now. We can click finish. And next, just put the new ribbon back inside. So, first put the YMCK IC chip. Next, take the ribbon. You have an orange and a blue reel, just like inside of the card printer. You have some gear teeth on one side, so just make sure that you fit them in their place properly. You can start by putting the orange reel inside. Also, make sure that the reel is running from the outer edge, so from over the top, from the orange to the blue. And sometimes when you have a new ribbon, they might be going a different direction, so just check that it's going over the top. And now it doesn't matter how tight it is, because the card printer is gonna tighten them up on its own as soon as we close the door. Now you can see that it's gonna start tightening up the ribbon, and once that's done, it's going to say ready. And this means that your card printer is ready to get back into printing. With this new ribbon, you can print 400 cards if you are doing one-sided printing, and if you have a double-sided card printer, you can print 200 cards. So this is how easy it is to change a ribbon.